If you want to synchronize data from your Samsung Watch 9 to the Google Feed app, first of all, you have to open the Samsung Health and you have to click on the three dots. By the way, you have to make sure that you are currently connected with your watch and your phone and the Samsung Health application. That's necessary. Now click here, go to the settings, and simply make sure that in the Health Connect, you currently are connected with the Google Feed. If you are connected and every permission is enabled, it means that right now you can open the Google Feed application. Now click here on your journal. As you can see now, by tapping here, you can see with which devices you are connected, and click here on these two arrows to quickly synchronize. This is actually how you can do this, how you can manually synchronize all of this data. So this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching.